What scandalous activities are we gonna be doing at Target today at 9:32 p.m. with Miguel and Jackie? Por pendejo. Evacuate. Where should I play?
Ricky.
Ricky? Bad. Let's just walk away.
12 seconds later. Hey, I'ma keep on rolling, man. I'm rolling up pressure.
What do you think of this?
Look at this Infinity.
Extra fire. What do you think of this car meet, bro? First car meet?
Oh, this first car meet with Ian, or in general.
Yeah, first car meet. First car. I've never been in a car meet.
Beautiful.
Just fire as it is. I'm trying to go see what's up. You guys gotta flick up to a nice car. Shit is beautiful. Look at the Subi, the Subi, the Subi.
I know this one be winning all the races.
This thing's a beast, bro. This shit is just freaking hard, bro. This shit's just fucking hard. Hold up. That's the best car right there. Yeah, I think people are leaving.
That's gonna be me. That's gonna be me, bro.
That's gonna
be me. That's my future car.
Future car? Oh shit. God damn, this one loud as hell. It probably got
Look at this one. Skedaddle. You know what?
in a Honda Accord. You wanna kill him, that shit. I was lucky fucked up. That's just air pollution, bro.
Just shut dumb ass up.
Swear.
I like that. Skedaddle.
Let's get that right.
Skedaddle.
We chilling. No skateboarding. Lately, we're not some skater boys. The car meet. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nah, we chill. We chill. We chill. Oh, dude.
Did you get that?
Wow. I don't know if I got that, bro. Bro, what the fuck just happened, bro? Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Mission successful. Mission successful. Let me just How do you feel?
That shit burned, but
You chilling?
it's good.
Hey, you about to get his
How
back?
much is that? Like, kind of like halfway, no?
Yeah.
Wait, are we all gonna share?
No.
No?
Drink your own food.
Stingy! Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Oh, you know that cop? Yeah, we just skedaddle, huh? He was probably gonna come chase us right now. My boy, wiggle, my boy. Goddamn. The moon is fire. Miguel looks beautiful. We're pulling up to Watts Towers. If you know, you know. We parked my car at my house, and then we walked.
I'm drinking my Arizona.
Got my Arizona. This looks kind of magical. I'm not gonna lie. Let me know. Does it look magical, or are we just crackheads? 12:08 a.m. Oh shoot, my Arizona.
But I was taking out my moco, nigga. Restart.
Pretty much, just gonna go around downtown, skate around, fuck around.
I want to kill myself, but that's so selfish. Slit my wrist, stab myself above the pelvis. Put my friends above myself, cause I'm so selfish. When she cry, I feel so helpless. Can't help but fall in love, stupid bitch, I feel like
Oh shit, we're in the middle of the road, nigga.
We are in the middle of the road. Why you come back? Why don't we?
What the fuck am I doing?
I'm selling you. Y'all dumb as hell. Oh, this is the spot. This is the spot. Fuck, mission of the day, find a lighter. You eat it for protein?
Nigga, no.
Why not? Let's go. There's families here with little kids, bro. We're not about to be asking for a lighter. Alright, bro, right now, look. Alright, look. This paper just flew by. I had Miguel's back. Hopefully these don't fly out. Oh, this one's kind of shaped like a heart. It says, fuck with Zaza? Question mark. Look, I got a whole bunch. This one says, go smoke some Zaza. You're gorgeous. Basically that paper right there. So that's why I decided to make all these. I kind of just been chilling here, just chilling, listening to Baby Zeno, of course. This nice little view. This, I actually got a paper for you right here. This one right here. This one. This one's just for you. You could take that one. That one's just for you. Fuck, man, I hope we don't die. Here, Jackie. It's already filming. Sorry, guys. Not exaggerating, these streets are tough. These fools will for sure run us over, bro. Alright, we chilling.
That guy didn't even stop.
I know, bro. Please, Jackie, film us. Thank you. Everyone, Jackie.
Oh, don't rip my fucking pants.
I'm happy with my clip. That's all I wanted to do. That's all I wanted to do. Thank you, Jackie. You're a real one. You're a real one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, also guys, I gotta clarify one thing. I was like actually going over this part, so I had to go like way faster, bro. I went over this part. I didn't go on this off the edge type shit. Just to clarify. Why you look like that one motherfucker from the museum? Bro, the thinker. You just be thinking for real. We got our snacks, bro. The mission pulled through. What's your friend's name?
Vincent.
Benson's about to pull up. Oh, let me know about sparking up right here.
Last night, we just like.
This is for you.
We just poured it in here and made grape.
This shit bomb, bro. 7-Eleven pizza always comes in clutch.
That's me, Kobe.
Where? Kobe. Alright, shout out to Kobe.
I just messaged you.
Okay. I see it. Kobe photographer. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. I kinda look beautiful. Right now, I feel so lazy.
Bro, you got that shit.
Thanks for getting to our filming. Oh shit, what the hell?
Bro, we need like a oh shit. We need like an actual cameraman.
On God. Jeff would always film.
I know.
Jeff,
I kind of miss.
if you're watching this, Jeff, we miss you. We miss you. Hey, what's your name again?
Vincent.
Huh?
Vincent.
Vincent's a real one. Shout out to gang. 0.5. Look how much this nigga has evolved, bro. He has evolved. He's a different man, bro.
Bro, I could ollie that. Going off.
¿Estás bien, mijo? I'm just injured today. No clips. I basically gave up skating because I'm hurt so bad, bro. Oh, Rafael did it, but I was. Jackie, you saw that? Rafael did it? Alright, she saw that. Rafa, I wasn't filming, bro.
Faster next.
smelling like B.O. I'm popping, no, I look pink nose. You ain't got money yet, we know.
I told you! I fucking told you! I fucking told you!
Oh yeah. Read it.
Did he read it? Read it! The shawties, give it to the shawties. If that's not for you, beautifuls. Bro, you could have robbed them, bro, and they literally would have let you.
He was like, we could just smoke right here, and I'm like, do you want to catch your ghost?
On God, I love
fine.
catching my ghosts.
Like,
I love smoking indoors.
Yeah.
We are not influencing you. You are influencing yourself, okay? Taki Karu did not influence this young man right here.
Popping the purpose on key. Population, bitch, all in the week. You wanna get cut, but that pussy is weak. Head so good, bitch, so free. Hey, I'm trying to get all of them cheeks.
Bro, he going a little crazy. Nah. Why are dogs always getting this fool? This fool could just look at LA every single day when he wakes up. This fool got a poodle. From Miguel. Side gang. Side Jackie. Hey, I be chefing it up, bro. Look. Making the Nutella, y'all already know, bro.
1 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I fucked with it. It was really good.
Hers was more crispy, my bad.
Peace out.
Oh, peace out.
Peace out.
Dipping?
Peace out. Look how we do it, bro. Y'all don't even know what this is, bro.
Like this. Like,
the-
but I'm gonna cut it. Like, I'm gonna cut this.
See what's up. Let's see what's up. Okay, fakey shove. Okay. Can you do that? Oh, okay. Type shit. Peace out, though. Peace out, gang. You came here for vacation and got robbed. Can I document this?
Yeah, sure.
Bet. Oh, you don't got connections with your family? You don't know anyone?
Nobody.
Oh, where's my board? Okay. Bro, good luck, bro. We gotta leave, bro. Good luck. You like drunk or what? Everyone wants to do a kickflip. Bro, this is why like we can't do drugs like too hard. Only weed, bro. There'd be crackheads, bro.
He was like,
Oh God.
he went like this. He was like,
Once he started touching you, I'm like, we're being too friendly. It's nighttime downtown, bro.
like no.
Fools are crazy out here. We can't be too friendly.
Yeah.
Look at all those cool cars. Like, my body hurts.
My feet hurt.
My body hurts. My mom told me to take some Tylenol. It was gonna help me feel better because my arm still hurts like a bitch, bro. It hurts.
Yeah, he can skate.
Oh shit! What the hell? Oh my God! Wait, you can skate too?
He can skate.
Oh my God! In the forces. Oh, basically, that counts. It just be the randomest interactions out here, bro. For real. Ollie up. Oh yeah.
Well,
It's not working. That one sucked. Wasted $4 for nothing. This one's hard.
Avalanche, all advance, rocking past straight from Japan. I'm the man, set my hand, I go hand for the green. I'm not always winning, but I still go hard for the team. I'm the one, what you mean? Like, we gon' ball, you and me. Probably get your feet on that BET. I'm like BET, I'm up on my way. Pretty soon you'll see regret.
You wanna be on the vlog? 345 YouTube. Taki Kato on YouTube. Taki Kato on YouTube. Taki Kato. You're gonna be on the video. Yo, gang, we're in downtown, bro. I'm telling you, downtown is crazy, bro. I don't even know how we ended up here, bro. This is crazy. Hey, Vincent, you're a real one. Say peace out to the vlog.
on God, peace out, gang.
There's actually people out here with midlife crisis, bro. The guy from the train station and him, they're having midlife crisis. That shit is a real thing. Midlife crisis happen in downtown. Subscribe if you don't want a midlife crisis. I know I said it was the end of the video, but it's not.
Hey, what? Hey. This one, hey.
These fools want to get in. Type shit. Is the water cold?
Nah, like it's not. That's just fresh.
It's fresh or is it cold? Damn, look at them waves. Was this a bad idea? We some crazy ass dude. Type shit.
Fucking a new bitch and I'm what? Hey, fucking a new bitch.
If y'all even saw anything for those 4 minutes and 28 seconds, we all got in. We all got in our fucking underwears, bro. Even Jackie.
Buried Ian again. He's dead.
Should I throw one?
Yeah. get warm. Give him the towel. The towel.
Everybody's in their boxers. I'm not gonna show you Jackie, but yeah. This is our stuff. As you can see, no towels. Who dropped the towel?
I love my city late at night, it's all on me, you know that's right. This bitch on